Nyama.
We're in the city now. They got Burger King, Louisiana chicken, Popeyes right there.
But what?
Watch your view. Just like you told me about tricking the system, I know how to trick it too. Yeah, it's just normal, not normal. Who sent me this?
Who told you that? Who told you that, bro? What the?
Yo, you gotta, come on, man.
What? We out here in Jamaica. Jamaica.
Who keeps sending me this? Yeah, man.
Jamaica.
Somebody keeps sending me this.
Let me show y'all. What's up?
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Rasta, big up, big up, big up.
Are you from England?
No, Georgia.
Oh, I know you're American. When I see you, I know you're American.
You wanna get on camera?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up? What's up?
What's your name?
My name is Blinger. Black Blinger.
Yeah, big up, top general. Yes, sir.
Love America.
Yes, sir.
Love America. God bless America.
God bless America.
Okay, my Rasta friend. My name is Blingers.
Blinkers?
Yeah, my man called me my schizophrenic. Can I beg your church to buy some food, man?
Ah,
Please, brother.
I don't got it.
What?
I don't have it.
You need some food. I'm sick. I have schizophrenic.
I wish you wouldn't have.
I'm about to check on the food.
I gotta get the. Look, we about to get the food right now. See, you laughing, you joking with me. Trying to joke. You on live? Join my live.
Nah, let me join your live.
My live better.
Let me join your live.
You got a filter in. My bad,
Let me
they
join your
know.
live, bro. I'm blocked from live.
My bad, they already know.
I mean, I'm on my spam, like, I don't care, but...
Spam.
Let me see yours. Alright, that's it.
No, let me show y'all. Oh, they can't.
No. Yeah, my spam is private. I mean, public. I don't know if they know my spam is public. This is my spam.
That's fire. Hey, Mom.
Thanks for tuning in to